Comrade Fortune Mnisi, njani comrade?
Siphilile baba uMkhonza, kunjani kuwe? Sibongelele wena nabalandeli bekhasi lakho.
Sibonga kakhulu mfowethu. Siyalibonga nje nethuba lokuthi lithole ngoba MK Party siyadinga ukwazi ukubaleka kwalama by elections azoba la njengoba kuregister namhlanje. So siyafisa nje ukuthi sithi ukuxoxa nawe kafishane so that sizokwazi sonke njengomphakathi ukuthi yini kahle kahle eyenzakalayo njengoba namhlanje kuqala ukuregister namhlanje yi1 November nakusasa ziyi2 ngokuzwakami engathi kuzoba u2 days ukuregister la.
I-registration eqala namhlanje it's 2 days yokungena station but besiqalile because in the past 2 days bekuyilama home visits ama door to door bazama ukunqenqa abantu so others were applying from as early as Thursday, Friday bebabhizi so today kuvulwe stage ama-walk-ins so si appreciate leyo process yiyo ekhona mhlawumbe saqhubeka okwamanje.
Okay, hayi cha. Cishe ngizwe ngathi uthi kuhamba kahle impela manginjalo. Ngifuna ukuthola la i-ward 11 mhlambe ngokwe-population singa-estimate la kuphi?
I-ward 14.
Mina i-ward sengithi ward 11 ngoba ngibuye ward 11. I-ward 14 empeleni, sorry about that.
Mfoka Mkhonza mhlawumbe angeke sibe nama exact figures but i-ward 14 angeke mhlawumbe sithi masigagula sithi ingaba nabantu abandlula ku-4,000 or 5,000. We are more or less to 4,000 or 4,000 plus including the newborns and everyone, the general population. Angicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ingathi kuma 6,000 or less. Angeke sindlule mhlawumbe siye ku 12,000 indawo encane kakhulu as per demarcation dictates.
Okay. So mangabe sicheka mhlawumbe ngokwe-IEC ke manje abarejistile bangaki so far?
Ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe if you can clarify correct ukuthi mhlawumbe as they registered already noma kule process yale 2 days.
Ake siqale ngo-already.
I-voters roll yase ward 14 from 2021 to 2024 up until now we were sitting at 2,400 registered voters. Provided ukuthi le 2,400 it also comprises of abanye amavota angasekho emhlabeni nabanye abangasahlali la but the overall registered voters i-voters roll yethu e-114 from the previous year we were sitting at 2,400.
Oh, okay. So mangabe kwenzekele kuba khona abashonayo bese yashintsha IEC.
Kufanele kanjalo ngokomthetho. Khumbula ke Mfoka Mkhonza ukuthi sike umkhonto wesizwe MDB consultation processes sike raise a question that was saying what is the actual norm for i-ward ukuthi li-comply no-IEC. So i-ward 14 siye sathola ukuthi ngazuthi beyingabalance kahle but ngokwesimo ke nange-dictation ye-MDB sigcine sihleli nalo 2.4 but bona bathi ngokwenoma it must be 3,600 upwards but elethu i-voters roll was sitting at 2.4 of which we are hoping ukuthi kule registration le ekhona probably we will rise and reach the actual required norm so that sizoba yi-ward eliphelele ngokusemthethweni.
Okay, akezwakala. Ama-elections akenzeka kule ward la ama-local government elections a-2021 but before ngifike kuwo bengifuna ukuthi ngihlehle kancane ngize kulama-national elections enzeke last year 2024. I-ward lenu manibheka liperforme kanjani ngo-2024 kuma-national election?
2024 i-voter turnout angeke sithi beyi-bad. Yaba fair because ngicabanga ukuthi u-half we-voters roll sayi-reacha but in terms of the results number 1 bekuyi-MKP umkhonto wesizwe we-party. Umkhonto wesizwe party we were sitting at 759 votes. From provincial level on the national level we were sitting at 759. Ku-provincial level we were sitting at 752. And then ANC ku-provincial level yathola 249. Ku-national level yathola 252.
Okay.
So the others, the EFF, bebagijima go 100,
Okay.
they were way less. So the competition was between the ANC
Yeah.
and the MK Party, and the MK Party emerged as the preferred organization by the masses as a Ward 14.
Okay.
Should babona yona kuyinhlangano engabamela. So of which it resulted ukuthi sithole lamavoti angango 759.
Hayi kezwakala. So umbuzo wami uzothi mawuqhubeka lapho kulo mbuzo engiyobuza ukuthi labo bantu abavota ke last year. Sisengasho yini ukuthi mhlambe basengaphinda ukufanayo kulama by-election esiyakuwo nge-17 December.
Kulama by-elections esiyakuwo babumkhonza ngicabanga ukuthi we will be fair, we will be honest, because umkhonto wesizwe as part of ama principles isifundisa leyo i-concept ye honesty. Umkhonto wesizwe angewuboni uhluleka noma udecline kakhulu from the previous results, provided ukuthi kulomphakathi esihlala kuwe 114 ithemba lomphakathi licheme kakhulu nomkhonto wesizwe party and abantu ekuhlaleni bakusho bona ngokwabo ukuthi bakhathele i-ANC as much as nathi sikhathele i-organization esebenzisa indlala yomuntu omnyama ukuze izothola ama-vote, because when you look into the factors adetermine mhlawumbe leyo predictions kube ne-project yakaSanral le ekhona la kuhlaleni N2 umkhondo wonke siyayazi sonke nabahlala emakhaya mawubuka i-intake yakhona bekumele u-associate ne-grouping noma ne-faction yaka former councillor unfortunately osishile emhlabeni, may his soul rest in peace. Sithole indodana yakhe nabangani bakhe kuyibo abarana le process ye intake noma ye recruitment nabanye ke ababili abathatha abasebenza kaMasipala abanikezwe ukuthi ababe ama custodians walama project so that azokwazi ukuthi adivide ke fairly within the community benefit wonke umhlaba wase Ward 14. But when you look into the actual fact of the situation kunomkhukhu nje olangenzansi mawusuka khona la kuhlaleni kunale grouping le faction ebeyis aligner no former council yibo bodwa abagcwele kule intake. And when we try to question ukuthi niqhashwe ngaliphi, because as understand the criteria yasetshenziswa you don't understand. For another example esokunika yona in recent times kube ne intake labe kugoqoziswa khona amapasi, so fortunate enough baba yi5 abagoqozisayo baphuma mabaphuma laba bayi5 only 3 ekhonela ukuthi absorbeke eqalile isebenza, laba babili abathathwanga simply because they are not associates of that faction aligned no former councillor kanye ne-ANC kaMasipala. So asicabanga ukuthi umphakathi wase Ward 14 ungaphinde usupport such movements or such a system or arrangements, because it shows very well ukuthi uma ungahlangananga nabo awusiwo umuntu kumele ubhuqabhuqwe indlala until ubuye ukhothame kubo. Once wakhothama kubo it's only then la uzothola khona umsebenzi. So as the MKP we standing firm ukuthi sithi we want all these small inyana projects noma ngabe iza na 2000 3000 ay decentralized fairly. And if ungena kahle ekhaya emsakazi babumkhonza emakhaya eHarmony Park uzothola imndeni eminingi which are classified as child-headed households, but akukho noyedwa onikeze lelo thuba ukuthi akazame apesha. But when it comes to isikhathi sama cut-offs, switch-offs wogesi baqala kuwo futhi lawo ma-child-headed households, then I do not think ukuthi abantu base Harmony Park will continue supporting such nonsense.
Right, shokuthi mawuyibeka ngaleyo ndlela ngoba ngiyezwa labo ukhuluma ngale ndlela bekuselectwa ngayo abantu abayoqashwa kule msebenzi njengoba buchaza okusho ukuthi in short mawuthi mhlambe bekuka abantu abavela kwifamily ya councillor ongasekho okusho ukuthi enye political party leyo okungayona iMK party. Okay, no ngiya understand but mayibeka kanjalo. Mhlambe lokhu ngiletha kulombuzo wami olandelayo ukuthi previously, that is on 2021 kuma local elections le ward leli lalwino yipi political party?
In 2021 babumkhonza there was a contestation, fierce contestation between the ANC ne-independent candidate.
Okay.
Ama-results ne-preference yomphakathi ngendlela eziningi ke
Yeah.
ne-preference yomphakathi kwagcina kukhetheke ukhansela owayecontesta ngokuthi uzimele independently aka-associatanga na any political organization.
Okay.
So bekuwuye obekanikezwe i-5 years yokulead. Then going down the line in 2023 yila sithole khona ukuthi mhlawumbe before sifika lapho emsakazi ngicabanga ukuthi ngokomthetho uma ucontest ama-elections independently uforfeita ilungelo loku-affiliate to any organization until uzuqeda i-term.
That is 5 years.
That is 5 years.
Okay.
So in between, awunalungelo lokujoina any organization unless ujoine and declare ukuthi mina sengijoine nali iqembu. Then kuzodeclare ama-by-elections uma lelo qembu solijoinile likubona ukuthi lingabuyela ngawo libuyele. So eWard 14 sithole ukuthi ukhansela owine 2021. 2023 ubuyele emuva wajoyina iqembu le-African National Congress i-ANC
abe asekhadini
abe ayikhansela eli-independent. And inkinga zethu ziqale lapho kwemsakazi when we realize ukuthi usuvota ne-ANC usuqala usolakala ukuthi uattend ama-caucus e-ANC
privately or it was just an open
bekakwenza openly even though bekufihliwe moving towards 2024 general elections bese kunali ground elilaceleni kwethu. He was a part of the people who were canvassing for the ANC. Imodi yakhe beyiphephezela ama-flag. He was openly declaring that he is ANC. And before even that comes into light, bekayigqokela nje regalia ye-ANC. And we questioned that njani because when we cancelele independent and umphakathi opted for an independent candidate in rejection of the ANC. So uma usujika when ujoin i-ANC kusho ukuthi you are undermining i-democracy. You are undermining the view yalo mphakathi. So the problem started there. We started engaging on matters of a petition, submit a petition which was signed by 756 yabahlali. Bear in mind ukuthi in 2021 Magawina wathola only 472 votes vis-a-vis the 379 of the ANC. The numbers may not be actually accurate, but they are somewhere around there. So when we questioned that, ngila inkinga iqale khona ukuthi he started creating his own ANC within the ward. Because when we started initiating our project, sibene nkinga ukuthi ayamiswa kuthiwa i-ANC yalile. When we questioned the leadership of the ANC, iphika ukuthi akusiyo. The people who were supposed to ukuthi balekelele lapho basitshela ukuthi hayi yila abantu abalaphaya. So when you flow cross umthetho awuvumi unless you declare, then we go back to by-elections. So on the 2nd of May we submitted the petition 25 April. On the 2nd of May sathola kwabuya i-response to the municipality. The response stated that umasipala must run an investigation on the matter. If bathola ukuthi le matter iyiqiniso vele une membership ye-ANC, they must declare a by-elections. Then we go back kuvotwe umi ANC ibuya isibuyele. So the municipality never responded. Asingathi umasipala i-ANC never responded on that matter. They never gave us a report. Azange benza lutho. We kept on making ama follow-ups until kufika i-delegation from the legislature. We questioned the issue ukuthi how do you allow a process where democracy is being undermined? In this matter, ukuthi an independent person ugcina so join the organization without making any declarations. And we said we will not allow the ANC ukuthi ithathe iward lase 14 behind closed doors. We will not allow that. What we call for is transparency and ensure that if the ANC ifuna iward, let the by-election, let the vacancy be declared because you can't tell us sana. Then bese siya kuma by-elections. If babona ukuthi bazowi, win again. So that has never happened until such a time a legislature is nikeza illegal opinion. And the legal opinion stated that iConquera ne-petitioner ukuthi we are correct to say ye-Ward 14 kune-vacancy. And anybody who has been following the story sase-Ward 14, we've been saying that ukuthi ukhansela sisanaye since July 30th 2023. Unfortunately, the outcome ayibanga ngale ndlela esingayo because we wanted the process to unfold siphelele sonke. May his soul rest in peace. But sesikule simo sokuthi we are going back to by-elections where we are saying if the ANC feels ukuthi can retain this one, let us go back, see a ground in sonke, allow the people to have their own honest and actual preference.
So yazi lo mbuzo ke ozolandela ufuna ungena la ethini if uyibeka ngale ndlela ukuthi ukhansela we-independent wabe siwenza i-flow crossing ungapheli nalo 5 years ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi i-ANC kokhona neyakudeclare ukuthi vele yam-endorsa as their councillor now kule ward engaluwinanga i-ANC kwaba kanjani la
remember the sequence of events. umasipala ubangaphethwanga yi-ANC.
Okay.
For the municipality ukuthi ANC ibe ne-majority, he was part of the councillors who voted in favor of the ANC. And after
of which in short ngoba ngathi mhlambe imvelo salile uma uzoyibeka ukuthi makudlula la ma-election ka-2021 uwina nje under independent vele nomasipala wagcina usuthathwa ama-independent.
Yes.
Okay, ungaqhubeka futhi.
So remember that after leyo council meeting that ousted former Mayor Smelane.
Yes.
He was part of the people who voted with the ANC.
Okay.
And it's not mhlawumbe written down, but it's an opinion ukuthi he was awarded or rewarded a position of MMC
based on his vote.
But moving forward, we started seeing him frequently canvassing, involving himself with matters of the ANC, and beka declare ukuthi vele yena uyi-ANC.
Okay. So yabona ngale ndlela oyibeka ngayo ngisho ngithi kimi ya clarify ka manje because okuningi vele bengakunderstand yingakho manje ngizothi mangulalela ngale ndlela oyibeka ngayo it seems game like the ANC was trying to get this Ward 14 behind
closed doors. bebalanda le ward ngemove
hayi ngokulwina
through. That is what we've been agitating and fighting against ukuthi i-ANC ayikwazi ukuthi bese iwina le ward ngemove. If they want this ward aba-contest again as per umthetho usho bangaveli ngemove. We were not fighting an individual per se, but we were saying i-ANC ya rejectwa 2021 ayikwazi ukubuya behind closed doors. We will not allow that.
So nje singasho sithi ayikaze le ward ifole under i-ANC
igcine 2021 before 2021 a local election.
Sengisho within this period
no ayikazi.
Okay, actually now izozilwela as an organization.
Hence you find the MKP contesting the ward also because even last year on national elections the ANC was rejected by the masses with 759 votes.
Kezwakala mfethu. So mhlawumbe umbuzo wami manje ungadlula uthi now njengoba ama-by-election azoba 17 December.
Yes, they will be sitting at 17 December.
So mangakhi ama-party azobe contest?
I think by the look of things now sine AIMSA
ilama independent.
AIMSA it's no longer ngeke sithi ama independent. AIMSA is an organization president wakhona ubab Gamede. Yes, AIMSA organization. It's not necessarily ukuthi it's independent candidates. No, it's a registered political party with a president. So we must be clear there and also clarify ukuthi AIMSA ayisebenzisani ne-MK. We've got no alliance, we've got no relations. There's nothing, is male. So this which they go around preaching ebantwini ukuthi no nabo bayi-MK nani amanga lihlaza lawo umkhonto wesizwe uzimele wodwa nabo njenge-AIMSA bazimele bona.
Because bengibona ama-colors ayo acisha abe close to MK.
Acisha be close ngicabanga ukuthi leyo soyikhuluma ngelinye ilanga msakazi
Okay.
ngoba uma sikhula sinabantu
Yeah.
noma sikhula sifundiswa ngokuhlukene
Okay.
khona bafundiswa lokho khona bese bafundiswa iPropaganda bayimaster
Okay.
and le propaganda once you master it
Yeah.
wasuyimasquerade nangamanga phezulu wayisho kakhulu kuba necrisis so
Kuba
uzama
ne-crisis.
ukwenza konke kube relevant but abantu abahlali each and every corner kumele bazi ukuthi MK umkhonto wesizwe party uyimele wodwa awusebenzisani futhi awuhlangananga neAIMSA iAIMSA iyimele
Izimele
yodwa
yodwa.
abantu ebesinabo 2024
Yeah.
abakhetha ukuthi baphume bayimele bodwa
Okay.
so they must contest their space bangafaki igama le-MK
No.
i-MK iyimele nayo i-contest iyodwa
Okay. No. Ngikuzwa
bese
kahle.
kuba yi-EFF
Yeah.
ngibone kunenkatha
Yeah.
ngibone kune-ANC
Okay.
and ourselves kushuthi mhlawumbe mangibale kahle sibahlanu
About 5 parties azobe contest.
asasekhona manje i-EFF
Yeah.
i-AIMSA
Yeah.
inkatha
Okay.
i-ANC nomkhonto wesizwe party
Hayi kezwakala. Hayi ngiyabonga kakhulu baba Mnisi. Cishe uyibeke kahle. Ngicabanga ukuthi le information esinikani senza sibe ne clear picture manje yokuthi lama by elections esiya kuwo nge-17 December kahle isuka phi indaba yokuthaza bekhona
Yes.
kuze kube manje of which I believe ukuthi kuzohamba kahle kakhulu ngoba kwamanje angikaboni umsindo otheni ngaphandle kwale distance nje ukuthi so far ngibona ngathi kusahamba kahle.
yes mhlawumbe
Yeah.
ukungena kule distance
Yeah.
semile again ukuthi uIC kuzomele ume emthethweni owubekayo
Yeah.
kusukela saqala sibhizi kule stage we have always been advised ukuthi kumele sibe 50 meters away from the voting station
Yeah.
kuyasimangaza ke namuhla ukuthi sithola iANC ime straight egate le voting station njengoba umsindo uwuzwa nje badlala iradio egate le VD we have raised the matter with the IEC officials
Yeah.
sithemba ukuthi bazoyiresolve because akusabi fair all other political parties basenzansi
But omunye angaqhamuka athi inkinga ekuphi?
sikhuluma ngomthetho regardless of inkinga because izwe will running ngecommon sense
Okay.
will run ngomthetho ukube lezwe selirana ngecommon sense bese ngavuka nathi sithi since siwinile last year seyithe siphethele one but because izwe will run ngomthetho we must follow the law at all times
Hayi kezwakala mfethu. Kezwakala. Hayi asithembe ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe uzosebenza kahle kakhulu kule one.
sithembile kakhulu we are very hopeful
Yeah.
mhlawumbe ke masingathola kujikile ngoba
Yeah.
nathi sisebenza nabantu
Yeah.
sisebenza ngabantu we understand very well ukuthi their only hope
Yeah.
yokuwina
Yeah.
ukuthi benze le process yokubhasa in
Yeah.
abantu from outside
Oh yeah,
i-114 abazovota leyo
Okay.
process siyigade kubo bonke laba bakhona
Oh, yeah.
because uma ufuna ukuwina iward
Yeah.
ukuze le ward libe nama systems in place
Yeah.
le ward libuyele to its original glory
Yeah.
kumele ulwine honestly and ensure that the systems that we bring are in order senze ngomthetho but we are already aware
Yeah.
ukuthi they will pass in people as much as we are sitting here we are very much aware ukuthi the first time voters asangenile for now
Yeah.
it's only 6
Okay.
tomorrow is the MKP
Yeah.
we will bring those that we know ukuthi abalawa
Yeah.
it's in a number yeah.
Yeah.
So according to the projections
Yeah.
zale ward
Yeah.
uma i-voters roll ingakhuphuka more than 150
Yeah.
or more than 100 to
Yeah.
be precise lokho kuyosho ukuthi leyo voters roll ayikho valid labantu abazobe bavota akusinga basevoti bayobe babhaswe in from outside
Yazi last question yami bengithi ngifuna ukukhuluma bese ngiyikhohliwe indaba yama candidates azobe e contesta la isivele ikhona noma iseku pipeline.
Within the MK party
Yeah.
we took a sober decision ukuthi we will not impose anybody
Okay.
whether from the collective we regard as the leadership
Yeah.
or from anywhere noma ngabe
Okay.
umngani wethu esimfavor ngayiphi indlela
Yeah.
we will not impose anyone we will have a meeting nomphakathi wonke
Okay.
where the community will say we want this person to lead this revolution because kumbula msakazi
Okay.
uma siyobeka upholi
Yeah.
kunama elements kuneyinhlaka ezinhlanu ezihlukene
Okay.
kumele si understand ukuthi yini umzabalazo wethu. Siphinde siyibuza ukuthi kungani lokhu umzabalazo wethu. Sithi ukuze siwine lo mzabalazo wethu kuyoba nini. Siyibuza ukuthi singawina kanjani lo mzabalazo. Bese kugcineni sesithi ubani ongalida lo mzabalazo. So mhlawumbe ngelumi lesilungu sithi what, where, why, how, then who. So we will apply that very same strategy of saying who can be relevant. Masses identify ukuthi what is our revolution nayo yonke le enye bese umphakathi uyikhiphela loyo ngombonayo ukuthi lo sicabanga ukuthi angakhona ukubamba lo mzabalazo asiwelise, because remember mphakathi lana it's only a process of 7 to 8 months. So umsebenzi mkhulu kakhulu for our candidate, but before skip candidate umphakathi kumele ube wa understand lama questions amahlanu sizokwazi ukuthi sikhiphe lowest 5, then lapho siyobe sine candidate nomuntu okhethwe abantu nekhansela labantu.
So if you say nizobiza umphakathi nizobiza as ama leader MK ewadini or as MK ku sub region or as all organization in the ward, all parties, or kuzoba kanjani leyo meeting?
No, ngicabanga ukuthi as much as we are moving to elections in Msakazi, we will have an MKP community meeting. Sizoba nomhlangano womkhonto wesizwe. Then kulo abathandi namavota omkhonto wesizwe yiwo azo attenda leyo meeting ukuze bayikhiphele icandidate la. Angicabanga ukuthi mawuyimember ye-ANC ungavuka uzo infiltrate member i-meeting.
Ngezwakala ke manje. So in short umphakathi oyo point ukuthi sifuna thina lo esigxotsheni
injalo Msakazi.
Yezwakala. So and mhlawumbe I believe it's even in line with the constitution.
Yes, sizama ngayo yonke indlela to follow the constitution and the principles of the and the policies and the principles of the MK party.
Usho nje mina njengomfoko kamkhonza nje mangathi hayi yimi engicabanga ukuthi ngibekeni la andifuni nokungizwa.
Asizwa lapho and we will not promote nor will we condone ukuthi umuntu aphuma athi mina akala thengela abanye abangani bakho utshwala babuye bazomkhetha. We are very skeptical, we are very vigilant kuleyo issue. Siyigadile ukuthi wonke ozokhethwa it must be the will of the people, because whatever that we will be doing it will be on the will of the people ukuthi basinikeze ithuba lokuthi sigavene liward in preparation Msakazi ukuthi iANC asifuni ibuye ilide umasipala 2026. So this will be the first step of weakening them. Masifika 2026 bayobe sebaphelele endleleni.
Hayi kezwakala indlela oyibeka ngayo ithi kimi niyayiphusha impela le ka president uMsholozi ethi all power
to the people.
Yibo kumele badecide. Hayi kezwakala comrade. Ngiyabonga kakhulu comrade uMnisi. Uyicacise kahle ngicabanga ukuthi nobe ngazi ngale by election ezayo ukuthi sifika kanjani. Uclear manje?
No, ngicabanga ukuthi everyone is clear. Tomorrow kusasa ngo 2:30 sizoba ne mass meeting yase ward 14 so that sonke nabahlali sizo understand ukuthi sifike njani kule phuzu leli, because i-desperation ye-ANC ingenhla kakhulu. Bayabona ukuthi indaba yabe ward 14 ngathi ayisekho kakhulu umkhonto ufikile. They are starting to throw tantrums. Benza ama accusations angekho. So we must clarify ukuthi thina ebesikulu besilwa ne-system against the ANC azange salwa ne-individual. We've got no problem against an individual, but the system beseyisetshenziswa yi-ANC ukuthi bafuna ukutshontsha iward. We could not allow it and we will not allow it.
Hayi kezwakala.
Siyabonga
kakhulu. Hayi phile comrade. Siyabonga. Thank you so much. Hayi ke besikhuluma naye lawo ucomrade uFortune Mnisi ongomunye wama member structure se MK party la ku sub region yasemkhonto abasilidayo la local as MK party. Esichazela kabanzi ngokuzokwenzeka kulama by elections azayo la. Njengoba sibona nje lesa sikolo lesiya iHarmony Park yilapho kuregisterwa khona namhlanje nakusasa siyozwa ukuthi kuyohamba kanjani. Ake nginibonge kumfoka Mkhonza lo, ngiyanibonga kakhulu ukuthi nibe khona la. Ngiyacela niqhubeke nisubscribe ikakhulukazi la ku YouTube. Ngiyacela nisubscribe na kanjalo na TikTok nifollow Facebook ukhona Mfoka Mkhonza. Niphile ke bafethu, siyohlangana kwivideo elandelayo. Thank you so much.